I'm Sean Callagy of Callagy Law. A question I hear from a lot of people is, how do I prepare for my deposition? Let me tell you how not to prepare, and we hear all the time that is gut-wrenchingly, nauseatingly, utterly ridiculous. I have a lot of attorneys go, hey, just like reread through some of your notes and they'll talk to somebody for 15 minutes in preparation for their deposition. That's utterly outrageous, and if that's what your attorney is going to do, it's completely crazy. You need, at a minimum, in the most minor of cases, 2 hours of dep prep. I suggest, in some cases, as much as 8 hours, multi-day preparation. That's what you need and deserve for your deposition preparation. And you go, why? My lawyer's going to tell me what to say? I know what I'm talking about. Well, no, you don't. Because your entire deposition is going to be about creating snippets, potentially on video, if it's being videoed, where they're trying to make you be inconsistent, look incongruent, lie about things, challenge your memory, put facts together, make you say things, use tone, inflection, intonation, false accusation to make you say things and hit you emotionally all of these different ways. How could you possibly prepare yourself as a layperson? If you prepare for your deposition for 15 minutes, I don't do this because I behave authentically and honestly. You prepare 15 minutes, I promise you, I'm going to crush you in your deposition. You're going to get destroyed, even if you're telling the truth, if I wanted to. I don't want to do that if you're telling the truth. That's not the games that we play like most lawyers do. But if I wanted to, I easily could. So the first issue is, right, you want to spend time. You need time. And there's 3 quick categories. First, you need to prepare yourself emotionally. If you're not emotionally prepared to deal with the exhausting process of being, having people listen to you, ask questions all day long, you're going to get yourself killed. You need triggers along the way to like bring up your energy again. Just like I'm shooting videos today, I need to keep bringing my energy up. You need to know how to do that. There's a way to do that. And we're going to put out longer videos on it. This is a quick 3 to 4 minute video. So you want to bring your energy up regularly. In addition, you want to make sure you're not reacting to the tone of the other side. So this side's like, were you there on March 17th, 2014? Repeat the question in your head and go, yes. Right? And if you're able to maintain your own states throughout the entire process, you're going to be in control of the deposition, not the adversary. So your own self-mastery. Influence mastery is you're not there to influence the outcome. You're there to authentically tell the truth. The only influence you want to have in the deposition is to be totally authentic during it and not think about why the adversary is asking you the question. Don't ask yourself that question. Just answer the question asked. If they're like, the same thing I just did, they're yelling at you, screaming at you, saying, were you there on that day? Yes. Don't try to think of why they're asking. Don't be afraid of the answer, because if you are, it makes you begin to look like you're withholding information. Just answer the question. And do not minimize. So they're like, so you're okay, right? Well, yeah, I'm okay. No, I'm not okay. Authentically answer. I'm miserable. This person tried to steal my business, destroy my family, lie to me, hurt me. Like, so don't you just want revenge? No, I don't just want revenge, but yeah, a little bit. I want them to be held accountable. I want the jury to punish them for what they did to me. It's outrageous. He was on my front lawn. My kids were screaming and crying. What would you do if that happened on your front lawn? That's being authentic. It's not exaggerating. It's not trying to be persuasive. You're giving honest information back. So don't minimize, don't exaggerate, don't anticipate the question, but deliver congruent, authentic energy on what happened. And finally, you have to understand the process. Be understanding how you look at documents. If you get a document handed to you, read the entire thing. We've been in depositions where a client, we had an adversary give somebody a 300-page document and go, okay, can you take a quick look at this and answer some questions about it? My client's like, nope, I'm going to read every single line, every single page. You asked me if I'm familiar with it. And they're like, well, you're familiar with it, right? No, I'm not. I'm not familiar with this. Well, it came from your attorney. I haven't read it. I haven't seen it. You don't know what your attorney is sending out? I do. There's been thousands of documents. I don't remember this one. If you want me to say on this video that I remember what this is, then I got to read the entire thing. If you don't, you want to turn me to a page and just say, ask me about a page, then fine. Ask me about a specific page. And then I'll say, yeah, I only read this page. I didn't read the whole thing. You have the right to understand the process and to answer authentically. You are in control, not the lawyer at your deposition. Do not let them pressure you, make you feel uncomfortable. And by the way, just tell the truth. Because if you're not, and you're dealing with a skilled lawyer, and you're going to lie on camera, you're going to get crushed. And that's how we got 2 8-figure punitive damage awards. We understand these processes. Please give us a call. I'm Sean Callagy. We're Callagy Law. 201-261-1700. If you like this content, please share it. Commented on it, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, follow us as well. We're trying to fundamentally change the way people feel about lawyers and provide truly unique content information to demystify the legal profession. Thanks. Have an awesome day.